Hello everyone, my name is Neha Danavle from the Sun Training Institute and I'm going to share this technical video on the digestive system. The system plays an important role to digest the food when we ingest it. Its main function is to break down of food material into the stomach or mouth, first in mouth and then in stomach, and absorb the nutrients which is present in the food. Its main function is to ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation, and excretion of that food. This digestive system mainly consists of divided into two divisions. Then first one is alimentary canal, and secondary is accessory organ, which combinedly or together helps in digestion of food. First, we can say about the elementary canals of the gastrointestinal tract. Mainly, it is the longest, largest system, and mainly consists of mouth, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, and anus. First, we can start from the mouth. When we ingest any food, that food with the help of mechanical process or the chewing, the larger food is with the help of mechanical process break down into smaller ones, and after that, when there is salivary glands present in our mouth, that helps to secrete the amylase enzyme. That enzyme helps to break down of that uh, food and also helps to formation of bolus. That bolus formation enter into our esophagus. Before that, it comes from the pharynx. Pharynx is a flap like projection that is the opening for the respiratory system also, and digestive system. And after the bolus or the food enter into our stomach, uh, enter into our esophagus with the help of the contraction and relaxation process which is present in esophagus. We can also called as a you can also call that peristalsis movement. With that peristaltic movement, the food enter into stomach. Then when the food is enter into stomach, stomach's main function is to digest that food, and there are some secretions are there in stomach. First one is acid that helps to break down of food, and mucus. That mucus protects the inner lining of stomach from the acid damage. Then third one is intrinsic factor. That intrinsic factor helps in the absorption of B12 vitamin. Then fourth one is the pepsin that helps to break down of the protein which is present in food. After the digestion after the digestion in stomach, that food products are delivered to the small intestine, and at small intestine the bile acid is also secreted from the liver. And liver is accessory organ. That's main function is to provide the formation of bile. And when there is excess bile, then it is stored in the gallbladder. uh, then liver second function is also the destruction of RBC. Then after the bile secreted into small intestine, that bile breakdowns the lipid or the fats present in food, and that helps in absorption of that nutrients also. The small intestine mainly consists of duodenum, jejunum, and ileum. First we can see the duodenum and jejunum. There are microvilli and villi present in small intestine. Small intestines, the duodenum and jejunum part, that helps to absorb the nutrients from the food, and the small particles of the breakdown of food, that with the help of assimilation process, the food particles are converted into the liquid form for the absorption of that nutrients into small intestine. And after the absorption of nutrients from the jejunum and duodenum, it moves to the ileum, where there are small or the very rare microvilli present that helps to absorb that food. And then there is that food is convert or they diverted to the large intestine, where the reabsorption of water and electrolytes takes place, and that mass formation or the waste product is delivered to the anus, to the rectum, for the excretion of that excretion in the form of stool. Then our digestive system has some disorders also. First one is diarrhea, second is constipation, then hepatitis also there, and some inflammation of liver also there, and also leads to some indigestion in case of any and also leads to the there are some also because of the excess acid secretion, there is also the peptic ulcer leads in our stomach. That's all. Thank you.